Hi guys, my name is Nonima Tigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Judge Rata and his unprofessionalism and rude personality. He's rude. Oh, the man is rude, guys. The man is rude, and it's his nature. There's nothing we can do. There's no reporting that can help him. He is rude. Period. Point blank. In a tense and viol of in a yeah, in a tense and volatile moment inside the Senzo Meyiwa trial courtroom, a frustration finally reached breaking point. The atmosphere was already thick with accusation when defense advocate Charles Mnisi launched into a stern criticism of the state prosecutor, Advocate George Baloyi. The defense insisted that Baloyi has failed to disclose a Primrose police station cell register, a document now influencing the day's proceedings. Mnisi didn't hold back. It is incorrect that we were not interested in them. We asked pertinent issues on the relevance of the register, and Mr. Baloyi did not want to answer us. But as the tension escalated, Judge Rata Mokgwatleng, visibly disappointed and fed up, drew a line in the sand. He leaned forward, his voice sharp and cutting through the courtroom noise. You know what? I am shocked at the behavior of advocates. They are behaving like children. Mnisi shot back without hesitation. We are also shocked, my lord. It is not only the court that is shocked. And that was the moment everything snapped. With force, clarity, and unmistakable authority, Judge Rata Mokgwatleng erupted. You shut up. You shut up. I am making the remarks. A stunned courtroom watched as Mnisi equally dramatically took a breath and considered. Thank you, my lord. I will shut up, please. But the judge wasn't done. He condemned the chaos, calling out both sides. One advocate says, I showed them and nobody was interested. Others say, no, he never showed us. You are all court officers. The exchange sent shocking waves through the public gallery. Another bitter chapter in a trial where tempers, pressure, and competing narratives continue to collide. Okay. You know what? What shocked me when it comes to that is that he had no right to speak to Advocate Mnisi like that, Judge Rata. He absolutely had no right. That was uncalled for. And it's been like that. He is abusing his powers. He is abusive towards Mnisi with his tone, with how he speaks to him, with how he approaches things that have to do with him, with how he addresses him. He abuses Advocate Mnisi psychologically, mentally, and emotionally and otherwise. That is what Judge Rata uses against Advocate Mnisi right now. We've seen him behaving like this. At first, he did this. He treated Mshololo exactly this way at some point for some time. And then from Mshololo, he moved to Mgomezu. And now he is at Mnisi. And every time there is someone who challenges him, and sadly, everybody that challenges him, they challenge him legally, on authorities legally. Yeah, now he will become very emotional. He loses the 0.1 point whatever intelligence that he has. He will lose it. And he will be left with nothing and erupt into anger, curse words, but not the ones that are direct, but the way he is. He does not use curse words per se, but the way he speaks to them, he undermines. And he wants to come and show that he has power. He knows the law. He's a judge, 56 years experience. And that time, all of that shows nothing but arrogance, ego that is full of pride, empty pride. He was rude. He was plainly rude, and the way he spoke to Mnisi was uncalled for. I was not happy with how he treated Advocate Mnisi. I am still not. And I don't know who he reports to. Don't they see the things that he does in that courtroom? Don't they see how he behaves in that courtroom? Don't they see how he treats the advocates? Everybody there is a colleague. No one is anybody's father there. It's at work. Everyone is at work. He has no right to speak to any of them the way he does. He is unprofessional. He is rude. It has nothing to do with his age because he doesn't speak like that with Baloyi. It has nothing to do with old age. He is always kind and allows Baloyi leeway. Even when he is out of line, he needs a reprimanding. He doesn't. He doesn't tell Baloyi you are wrong. He never tells Baloyi what you did was out of line. But when it comes to the defense, instead of you, at this point, I believe when he is angry at how Baloyi does things, he will take that anger to the defense, not Baloyi. He will always direct that anger to the defense, not Baloyi. And Baloyi was way out of line yesterday. He needed Jadrata to call him out live on television like that, in that live stream. But no, instead of doing that, what he did, he was coming for Mnisi directly, telling him to shut up. Is that his son? Even if he's not, is that how you speak to people? No. He was rude, Jadrata. I was not impressed with him. I don't know about you, but I don't see him change. I don't see him becoming a better person. I see him becoming worse and worse because he has a plan. He wants to be excused in that courtroom. No, sir, finish what you started. You're not going to be excused. Finish what you started. We don't have time for you. We absolutely do not have time for you. What you started, finish it, my lord. Yo, Jadrata, guys. Haibo. Haibo. He will shock you. He was so rude. Plainly so. He was so rude. You shut up. He exploded to Mnisi. Shut up. Jadrata lost his patience, but at the wrong person. How dare he said, instead of addressing the one person that is making chaos, he is addressing the wrong side. He did not address Baloyi. He was boiling, guys. He was boiling. And every time he is frustrated at Baloyi, he will go and take that anger and frustration towards Mnisi. I don't know about you, but I'm so tired of that man and his attitude and the way he burst. Yo, that outburst, shut up. And what I like about the things that he does there and how Mnisi responds to them, those are grounds for appeal. The abuse that he shows in that courtroom are grounds for appeal because he continuously abuses his power, abuses Mnisi as if Mnisi is a nothing, as if Mnisi is someone that does not need to be paid attention to, as if Mnisi is someone that even needs his attention in a certain manner. Mnisi, all he wants is a judge that is fair. That's all that Mnisi asks for, a fair judge that is going to treat everybody equally and do things in a fair manner, which is exactly what he fails, Jadrata. He is failing dismally to being a fair judge. He fails every day. He fails in that courtroom every day. That is the sad part about it all. He fails every day in that courtroom. He's a failure. Someone needs to tell him that you are a Mampara of that courtroom. You are the greatest Mampara. You fail all the time. He can call out nonsense that is done by Baloyi, but he wants to be angry at the defense. Haibo. Haibo. Is he for real? Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to this? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.